Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. Today we are doing the Glossybox May unboxing. Glossybox is a beauty box that comes with 5 deluxe samples and is $21 a month. I know, Boxycharm is $21 a month, so it's an inevitable comparison, but you can look at it and decide if it's something you would like, and if it is, I'll put my link below. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Opening up this box is always a challenge because I always want to look for a cutting place, and I think ultimately what you have to do is rip the face off of it. And then it opens up ever so nicely. And you have revealed your beautiful pink glossy box. I'm not saying that this is why I keep getting the glossy box. Certainly I would not keep getting a box just because it came in an adorable pink box. But it doesn't hurt. This is my last month. I signed up for 3 months, and this is my last month. So does it smell minty? I have no idea. So this is my last month, and I'm gonna have to decide. So let me know below, what do you think? Is this something you would keep subscribing to for $21? I'm just not sure. Let's get in here and see what there is, and we can decide. When you take the lid off, it's so nicely wrapped. I know, right? Don't you wish they all came this? Definitely minty. They all came this nice, and you can just untie the lovely bow. We have a couple of things we'll come back to because it's talking about coffee, and I love coffee. And then it's wrapped up in this lovely tissue paper, and you can just undo that, and it is chock-a-block with goodies. So let's circle back and see what they were telling us about coffee on this nice piece of paper here. Glasses time. It is Amora coffee. Free coffee. Just pay $1 for packing and priority mail. Special risk-free offer. There's usually a catch. I don't know what it is. But I do love coffee. So if I check this out, I will let you guys know what I think about it. And next we have the Glossybox little pamphlet that comes with it that actually opens up like and tells us on the inside, tells us everything we have, so we won't look at that yet. But it says, heads up Glossies, we've partnered with beauty site lookfantastic.com where you can spend your glossy credit. Review products, take surveys, share your glossy love with friends, and we'll pile up your glossy credit with over 14,000 products on Look Fantastic. Well, that's fun. And on the other side, they're giving us hints about the box. It says, with summer around the corner, now is the perfect time for a break from heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins and hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. Well, let's dig right in and see how exciting this mix of products is. First, I'll take this big thing right on top is a Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. That's what the packaging looks like. Let's get in here and see what it feels like. Oh, it even comes with its own handy dandy hanger for in the shower. It's a sponge wrapped in some of that aggressive fabric that's gonna eat all the dead skin right off your body. Let's see what the paper says about it. Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber is perfect for buffing away dead skin cells with its texture. This scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Allergy and dermatologists tested. Daily Concepts even incorporated its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. Well, that's very interesting. That is really cool. Where's their, oh, so here's their little label. So that fades so you know when it's time to get a new one. Very interesting. This has a retail value of $10, so that's good to know. Okay, what is next? Next we have the Grow Gorgeous Back Into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp massage. No, doesn't say massage, it says mask. I mean, I was probably gonna have to give myself the massage anyway, but I like the thought of it. Let's see what this says. That is what it looks like, and this says, grow gorgeous hair into the roots. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask. With a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine, this mask will give your hair the extra moisture and volume it craves. Very interesting. They're putting caffeine in everything these days. Would you like to know how much you absorb of caffeine, because it does miraculous things for me. A full size of this is 8 ounces and it would be $28. And this is a 2-ounce bottle. So easy math, that makes this about $7 worth. Let's see what it smells like. This is our minty smell. Oh, that smells good. I don't think it's on anything, so it must just be that pervasive. But this is definitely our minty smell. On the back of it, it says it's a nutritive wake-up call for roots with caffeine, zinc, and biotin. Well, that's always good. And it's made in England. I don't see the ingredients on here, so I'll have to do further research, but it smells fantastically minty. Next in the box, we have Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. How awesome does that sound? That sounds so good. This says coffee and coconut oil. Who doesn't love that combo? As the coconut oil softens and moisturizes your skin, coffee kicks into high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up at the start of each day. Here we go with the caffeine again. Whew, Mom's going to be juiced. Oh, it has a little seal on it, but let's take that off because you know what? I'm using it. Okay, let's get some out of here and see. Oh, it is brown and gritty, just like you would expect it to be. Put the lid back on that. And that is what it looks like before you get it all scrubbed in. So you can see the bits that are just ready to wake you up and make you smooth. Oh, it smells like coffee. I don't smell the coconut at all. This smells like I just made my coffee and it's fantastic. A full size of this is 6 fluid ounces and would be $24. And this is 0.7 ounces, so it's a little less than an ounce. So, all right, let's wipe that off before I get it on everything. And I'm so proud of myself whenever I remember to bring up the handy Burt's Bees wipes. I feel so proud because I make such a mess when I do this. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. I will definitely be using that all over my body. I can't even begin to express to you how soft, you know, I don't think you can see soft. Can you see soft? Would you like to just trust me? Ooh, soft hand. And it doesn't smell a lot like coffee, so you're not going to be left with an all-over coffee smell. Well, it smells a little like coffee, so if you did your whole body, you might smell a little bit like it. It smells good. Let's reach in and see what we have next. Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I am so glad to get this. So many people got this in their Ipsy bag last month, and I did not, and I pouted because I really wanted to try it. So this is a 0.34 ounce tube, and the paper says it is a lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamins A, B, and C. This aqua balm keeps skin energized and hydrated for oily, combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want the energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. See how I didn't stop midway through, even though I wanted to when I said sensitive skin? Oops, I'm going to take the lid off this. I always get so excited when anything says sensitive skin. And it doesn't always mean sensitive as me, but anything that says sensitive at all, I just get excited. So I just put a little bit out. It looks more like a gel, but it does lean towards cream. It smells like watermelon. Oh, I'm definitely trying this. It feels fantastic. Wow. On top of that skin that I just cleaned with the Purlisse scrub. Oh, it smells so good and it feels so nice. I am definitely, still have some of that coffee grit on me. I am a little tacky. We'll have to see. I just had that scrub on there, so for all I know, I left some behind, but that feels fantastic. It feels like it would be especially nice for people who tend to run a little oily because it doesn't have that leftover creamy feel that, sometimes you get that leftover, you know what I'm talking about, on your face. This feels like it's going to dry right down and leave you with none of that oily feel. Okay, next we have the Oriza Beauty Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. And this is what it looks like. And it is 0.85 fluid ounces, so it's almost a full ounce. Let's see what it says. It says that cruelty-free, this is an all-purpose skin and lip balm that will protect your skin from harmful UVA, UVB rays while it moisturizes and soothes for an all-over dewy effect and is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. I know, I'm such a dork. I can't help it. It's who I am. All right, let's get in here. I'm gonna put it, oh, looks like it might be sealed. I love it when they're all sealed. How awesome is that? I still, every time I do it, and I've noticed Abby doesn't do it as much anymore, but in the beginning, Abby always sang, Abadabs, always saying, safe to seal. So now whenever I take off a seal, I think of Abby. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my opposite hand because we all know that this one smells like watermelon and coffee. It's my drop for the day. Okay. Oh, this is just a, okay. This is a balm. Indeed it is. Doesn't smell. It has zero smell. I can't even imagine how they get a, I could spread that all over my entire body, I think. There is so much shine associated with this. I like that it'll protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays. I mean, I will take any kind of sun protection I can get. All right. I think right now it feels a touch, just a touch greasy, but I really think it's going to absorb. And I think even if it didn't, I could live with the way it feels because my hands are the happiest hands in the East. It's been good stuff on them today. Last but not least, I have Dose sheet masks. Oh, these are neat. These are the slice ones that they're not the ones that you put all over your whole face, but they're individual slices that you just put wherever you have the problem. One is watermelon and one is cucumber. Let's see what it says about these lovely masks. So these are Cocoa Star masks. And they say that it is full-size 2 sheets that have a value of $10. So I would say probably 5 each. Have full control of how you apply your mask with Cocoa Star's slice sheet masks. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the masks off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply the masks on your face, neck, under your eyes, anywhere in between. Well, that is really cool. What I have further questions. So I wonder if you can just use like 4 pieces and then put it in a Ziploc bag and maybe stick it in the fridge. I mean, can you store it? That's what I'm asking. See, it says on here, because if you read the directions, which I'm not want to do, if you read the directions, it says use immediately after opening. So although they are slices and you have control over where you place them, they still want you to use them all at one time. I can't imagine that slipping them in a Ziploc bag and putting them in your fridge so that they don't turn. Do masks turn? That you couldn't wait a couple days and do it again, especially like the watermelon. You have 6, I believe. So if you wanted to do your eyes like every other day, I can't believe that's a problem. I don't believe it. Okay, so that is my last Glossy box that I have under this subscription. $21 a month to continue. So what do you think for $21? I have the 2 masks, the stimulating scalp mask, not massage, this nice scrubby for your body for the bath. Oh, and don't forget it came with its little for the wall. 2 Pure Lease products, the coffee scrub for your body and the watermelon gel moisturizer for your face, and the Oriza Dewy Glow Balm. Did I ever tell you guys what that was worth? I'm not sure that I did. Let's see. So they say this is full size and it's $16, and the body scrub, if you thought you were going to use this and enjoy it, was $10. So that more than covers the cost of the box, and it makes everything else free, but still, they're just deluxe sample sizes. What do you think? Should I keep it? Should I chuck it? Should I give it a couple more months? Comes in that pretty big box. I just can't decide. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for coming by, guys. Please like, give me a little thumbs up, and subscribe. And I will be back soon with more boxes because we are in the influx of May box time. Bye, guys.